and we'll get to work. Welcome back to the Orange Wires Garage. We're here with this beautiful 69 Ford F100. We're going to continue working on this thing. We got to grind all the paint. We got to fix some Bondo dents. We got to get it ready for the booth. We got to test fit the fenders. We just got a bunch of things to do. So why don't we just jump right into it, give y'all an update to see where we're at. Let's get this thing ready to get it painted and maybe get some primer on it and get it one step closer to being done. Well, it is the next day here, and we decided to work on this bed along with the cab to kind of get everything together so we can get it all primed and painted at the same time. So you remember back a couple of episodes ago, we bought this bed, we picked it up, it was in a lot better shape than our old bed that's back here. But we've still got a little bit of issues with it, and I decided to go ahead and take it apart and work on some of it, sand it down, get it primed together, and then kind of get each panel out of the weather because we don't want it to continue rusting while we're fooling with this truck, getting it all ready 100%. So let me show you what we did on the inside of the cab real quick. We finally got all that old paint ground off the dash, and now we got some etch primer on the dash and on the interior of the truck. It's finally starting to look a lot better. 7 layers of paint gone, we got 1 layer back. You saw us put the 3 coats of primer on that hood. That's just a starting point. We're going to block it all down, find the rest of the little imperfections and keep that going. We put a test fit on these fenders. We went ahead and bought some new ones. These came from CJ Pony Parts. Our old ones were just in such terrible shape. Couldn't do nothing with them. And we'll get to work. It's been a minute since we've had a good update on this 1969 Ford F100. We're not going to forget about it. We've been working really hard on it. We took the bed all apart, we sanded it down, we put a couple of coats of primer on it, and kind of just put it back together and put it on the truck to see how everything was going to fit. We test fit these rear fenders. We test fit the side steps. We test fit the front fenders to the door. Everything is coming together. We worked on the inside. We got everything primered. In the next video, we're definitely going to put some color on this truck. We're going to get it painted. We're going to take it to the booth. We just can't wait to see how it looks. We got a long way to go before she's ready to hit the road, but we're just inches closer. We do appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. A special thanks to all the subscribers. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Orange Wires Garage. We always post there before YouTube. We'll catch you guys next time. We're out.